Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to deposit and withdraw from BetMGM Sportsbook. Alright, let's begin. First, open the BetMGM app on your mobile device. Once you are on the home screen, tap on your account balance located in the top right corner. This will take you to the account section. From here, you will see options for deposit and withdraw. To make a deposit, tap on the deposit option. You will be prompted to choose your preferred payment method, such as credit card, debit card, or online banking. Select your method and enter the amount you wish to deposit. Follow the prompts to complete the transaction. For withdrawals, return to the account section and tap on Withdraw Funds. On the withdrawal page, choose your preferred withdrawal method. If you are using online banking, ensure that your bank account is linked to your BetMGM account. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and confirm your selection. After submitting your withdrawal request, it may take a few business days for the funds to appear in your bank account or chosen payment method. Make sure to check your transaction history for updates on your withdrawal status. So that's basically how you can deposit and withdraw from BetMGM Sportsbook. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.